Hello everyone, this is Nidhi Jha, the Senior HR of Recube Resources Private Limited Company, and I would like to share my experience that what I have learned in this company. First, I would like to share that what company provided. This company provided a best or relevant candidate to our clients. Our clients and our partners are DG Bell eSolution Private Limited Company, Now Fruits Technology Private Limited Company under Reliance Company, and NJ Groups India Private Limited Company, Ebes Cash, and more. The thing is, our clients are so much supportive. Why? Because we give them a best or a relevant candidate. We are working for non-IT field, IT field, BPO, and more other sectors. We are providing telesales executive, the more highest payable profile like business development manager, business development executive, above 14 or 15 years of experience. So, regarding this, we are providing a best or a relevant candidate to our clients. And besides that, I would like to share that what is my experience in this company. Why I'm saying this company is too good for me, because a special thank to my to our MD sir, Shubham sir and Saurabh sir. Thank you so much for giving me so much support in a corporate world or in a professional life, because they always supported us, they always supported everyone. And uh, and the other thing is the environment, the nature, the behavior, everything is too good. The nature and behavior of our employees, our co-friends, co-workers, everyone is too good. Basically, the environment is high probably matters, because if you are working in a corporate world, you invested a lot of pressure, you invested a lot of timing, everything you invest. So it's a very important, because everyone knows time is very important for everyone. So that's why I'm saying this. Thank you so much, our MD sir. And after that, अगर आप फ्रेशर हो, अगर आप नए हो, तो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखनी होती है। और अगर आपके सपोर्ट में आपके आसपास अगर अच्छे लोग हों, तो आप बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें सीखते हो। एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ रिक्यू वेब रिसोर्सेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, कि मुझे ऐसे कलीग्स मिले, ऐसे फ्रेंड्स मिले जो काफ़ी सपोर्टिव हैं। और बीइंग अ फ्रेशर, मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली। मैं आज भी सीख रही हूँ और आगे बहुत कुछ सीखूँगी। और एंड आफ्टर दैट मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि आपके लिए, अगर आप एज अ फ्रेशर, अगर आपके सपोर्ट में इतने सारे लोग हैं जो आपको बहुत ही सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो आप कभी अपने आप को अकेला फील नहीं करते। और बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने सीखी है। द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू द गोइंग विथ अ hierarchy, okay? The first one is job posting in various according to various profile in various field, like working in and so on, okay? Like telesales executive and some other before I'll tell you. And after that, how to discuss with clients, आप कैसे अपने क्लाइंट से डिस्कस करते हैं, किस बिहेवियर में, किस मतलब आप जो अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, मीन्स दैट आप अपने कंपनी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। एंड it totally depends on your nature or behavior, that how you present your company, okay? The basic thing is the confidence. If your confidence is too good, then you definitely improve so well, you enhance yourself. और सबसे पहली चीज़ कॉन्फिडेंस, जो मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से सीखी है। लाइक अभी आप मेरे को देख रहे हैं, तो सी what I am saying in front of you as fluently, just because of Recube Web Resources Private Limited Company, and I'm glad that I'm the part of this company. And after that, it means a lot for me. The confidence, how to talk with people, how to talk with clients, everything totally, the part of my life is included in Recube Web Resources Company. तो मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ से सीखी है, and I'm glad for that. So yeah, Thank you so much. Thank you so much, our MD sir, Saurabh sir, Subham sir, my colleagues, my friends, uh, और जो चाय देने आते हैं वो भी. Thank you so much, everyone, and I'm glad being a part of this company. Thank you so much.